Welcome to Planet of Play. Today we are opening the Hallmark keepsake Barbie ornament. This is the Merriest dream house. Okay, we actually had this exact dollhouse before in big size and we really enjoyed it. It's so cute that we have this little size now. So it comes with instructions and it also comes with a power cord, but we didn't get the power cord. We just got the ornament this year. We might eventually get the power cord, but just really wanted the dollhouse. It has some frilly pink decoration to make it Christmassy on the edges. There's the bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, dance party upstairs. This is the button that turns on and off the lights and the sounds if you have the Hallmark power cord. And here is the back. Underneath, there's the speaker, and that's where the Hallmark cord goes into. Here's a Polly Pocket. She actually fits in here. It is Polly Pocket sized. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more fun.